If you're in sales right now and you're still doing everything manually, you're prospecting manually, you're writing outreach manually, you're running calls without any support, you're guessing yourself what to improve, you're operating at a humongous disadvantage. Because the best teams today, they're not just working harder, they're using AI across every stage of the sales process. And in this video, I'm going to walk through 9 AI tools, and more importantly, exactly what one is useful for what when it comes to sales. From generating leads to booking meetings to closing deals to improving performance. I got you covered in this video. Let's get into it. So tool 1 is Claude. This is your thinking layer. So instead of guessing who you should be targeting, you can feed Claude lead lists, customer data, ICP details, and ask it questions like, which of these leads are most likely to convert and why? It helps you prioritize better opportunities, refine your messaging, and think more strategically. So for me, Claude is best for kind of targeting, research, and decision making. And the final thing I'd say on Claude is set up a folder for the specific offer that you're selling right now and just keep feeding it data. Because the more that you interact within that folder on Claude, it's gathering and keeping all of that data. So it's understanding your sales process better, who you're selling to, and it's only going to become better over time. The second tool is Apollo. This is your lead generation engine. You can filter context based on job title, company size, industry, hiring trends, intent signals. It gives you a constantly updating pool of prospects, and it's best for building outbound lists and finding new opportunities. Tool 3, we have Instantly AI. This is your outbound structure. It allows you to manage multiple sending domains, warm up inboxes, run cold email campaigns at scale without destroying your deliverability. So if you're a guy or a girl who's doing outbound, this is the system behind it all. And it's best for being able to scale your outreach and improve deliverability. Tool 4 is SendPark. So this is for personalization at scale. Instead of sending plain text emails, you can send video messages that are dynamically personalized based on your prospect, like showing their website in the background. It makes your outreach stand out immediately, and it's best for increasing your reply rate and engagement. Tool 5 is Clearbit. Now, this is all about context. When a lead comes in, Clearbit enriches the data instantly. So it's going to give you the company size, the revenue, their tech stack, their role. So essentially all of that additional information that you need so you're not going into a conversation with them completely blind. You know exactly who you're talking to. This is best for lead qualification and context. 6th, we have make.com. This is what I call the connector. It's going to bring all of these different components together. So with make.com, you can automate workflows like sending leads into your CRM, enriching them with data, scoring them with AI, triggering outreach automatically. It's basically just removing all of that manual work from your pipeline. And it's going to help you when you watch this video and want to use all of these tools at once, actually just do it in one process. So it's best for automating your entire sales workflow. Tool 7 is Fathom combined with Kendo AI. So Fathom is a meeting recorder and it transcribes your calls and also films them too. Then you take this call or data, you then put it into a tool like Kendo, which is going to analyze the conversations. It's going to tell you what worked, what didn't, why the deals are being lost, how your messaging can improve. So instead of guessing, it's going to basically analyze your sales script and how good your pitch is in real time and give you exact feedback on what you need to change before you go and essentially waste another lead. Tool 8, we have Attention AI. So this is all about getting real-time AI sales assistance. Tools like Attention, they're going to sit in the calls with you. While you're speaking, they can literally suggest what to say next. They can service the key talking points, highlight the objections, guide the conversation in real time. It's like having a coach with you on every single call. So for me, this is best for closing deals and improving performance live. And finally, tool 9, HubSpot AI. HubSpot has been around for a long time. It's probably the biggest CRM out there, but it now comes with different AI features. It is your pipeline management layer because it can now score your leads, it can prioritize your opportunities, it can route your deals, it can track performance. So your pipeline runs efficiently without really any constant manual input. So for me, this is best used for managing your deals and scaling across your entire sales process. If you're not on HubSpot, you're on a different CRM, then just extract all the data from the system you've built using AI, feed it into something like Claude, and get it to do all of these things like scoring your different leads and what has the potential and what doesn't. So now let me just summarize everything. Let's zoom out and show you how your sales process is going to look completely different after you really use AIs and AIs for what they're good for. So firstly, we had Claude for strategy and thinking. Then we had Apollo for lead generation. Then we had Instantly for outbound infrastructure. Then we had SendPark for personalization, Clearbit for enrichment, Make for automation, Fathom and Kendo for call analysis, Attention AI for live call support, and HubSpot AI for pipeline management. This is how modern sales processes are evolving. They are not evolving manually, but as a connected system driven by AI. Now, one of the final things I want to share here is that the goal isn't to use one tool or use them one by one. It's to build them into a system where leads are generated, enriched, contacted, analyzed, improved consistently. This doesn't stop. It's where the real advantage is coming from. People that are just using ChatGPT to like help them do some stuff when they're just doing their normal job in sales, like, what are you doing? You just watched this video. There is people out there in sales that are doing 100 times more work than you just simply by using the right tools. I don't mean they're manually doing 100 times more work. Their output is 100 times more than yours, but they're probably working less than you. Stop being this ChatGPT sort of guy or the guy that's anti-AI, which is even worse than that. Realize that you're getting destroyed by your competitors based on where AI already is and the tools that are available. But I guess one really important point here is AI is not perfect yet. It doesn't fully understand what makes a great salesperson, what makes a deal close, or how to handle every situation. These tools are there to assist you, not replace you. And that edge still comes from knowing how to use them properly. So like I said earlier, you can increase your outputs massively, but you're still in between the AI and the output, making sure that whatever it's doing is right. And you're the one that is guiding it the whole way to get the best performance out of it. So if you start leveraging these tools today in your sales process, you'll move faster, you'll operate smarter, you'll close more deals. That's the shift. And if you want to learn how to use AI across sales, marketing, growth, all of this stuff, subscribe to my channel. I'm testing these tools every single day, and then I'm coming on to here and putting the time in. It's a Sunday right now, recording these sorts of videos, spending money on the production to share these insights with you guys. So I'd really appreciate the subscribe, and hopefully you found a lot of value from this. The final thing I'll leave you with is, if you're sitting there thinking we need to get an AI-driven sales process up and running, marketing process with AI up and running, just anything to do with growth, then click the link in my bio. We're offering free strategy calls to specific types of businesses. If that does appeal to you and you also fit the types of businesses that we work with, book a call in, have a chat with my team. They'll put together a system and how you can use AI to help you grow your specific business in your industry. No questions asked. So check that out as well. I'll leave it in the description. That's me out. See you on the next one.